YouTube is this amazing beast where people make crazy money
every single day.
How? By making ambient sounds and relaxation music. And the best part is, you can do it too. I'm going to show you step by step how you can make high earning videos. 5, 10, 15 grand a day. Life changing. Steady on, Moon Lambo. I'll show you how to find the best search terms so you can make big money. Then I'm going to show you how to create the audio, the video, and edit it all together. I want you to make money with this. So the first thing we need to figure out is what videos will get a lot of views. And there's a little secret that I like to use on all my YouTube channels to help me get started. Jump onto YouTube and find the top 5 channels in the ambient relaxation niche. Click on the videos, then sort by most popular. 195 million views. 162 million views. This niche is crazy. Open a Word document, copy and paste the title of the top 5 videos into it. Now click Recently Uploaded. I want you to scroll through and get an idea of the average number of views their recent videos are getting. 26,000 views, 17,000 views, 11,000 views. So you can see this channel is averaging 10 to 30,000 views on recent videos. But what you need to do is look for recent videos with a heap more views than this. Here we go. 111,000 views. Pick out any videos that have done much better than average and add those titles to your list. Now I want you to do this for the top 5 channels that you found. Now you have a list of 30 plus videos that you know without question get a massive number of views. You can use this technique in any niche to generate a countless number of high demand ideas. To step it up even more, look for any common themes between these titles. If you see something all these channels are doing, you need to do it too. Now we'll look at how to edit video using 100% free video editing software. If you're on a PC, head over to the DaVinci Resolve website. Download and install Resolve. If you're on a Mac, you'll have iMovie, which is great for editing these videos. DaVinci Resolve also works on Mac, so grab a free copy if you like. I edit my videos using Final Cut Pro, but that's going to cost you money, and to get started, I honestly wouldn't bother. The process is virtually the same amongst all the editing software anyway. So by now you're wondering, where do I get the content from? And this is a step you must get right, or YouTube will
demonetize your channel.
Stick with me until the end of the video and I'll show you how to get content the right way. For now, I'm going to show you what kind of content you need and how to put it all together. First of all, you need a sound to match a video title you found in the first step. Let's use this example. Rainforest rain sounds for sleeping or studying. Very nice. So we need a rain sound and we obviously need a video of rain. I'll show you how to get them shortly. For now though, I'll grab one from my library. Now it's as simple as aligning the sound and audio. Let's add a fade to the beginning and end and adjust the colors using a LUT. Now you have your video and you're ready to export. Now this seems really easy, right? But, and it's a really big but, there's one giant elephant standing in the room. And that is the fact that YouTube demonetizes these kinds of videos. We want to make sure that doesn't happen on your channel. Other people will tell you to jump on sites that offer royalty-free audio and video, but I'm going to burst your bubble and tell you not to do that. Your YouTube channel will be demonetized and all this hard work will be for nothing. This means you need to invest some money in equipment and spend some time shooting your own 100% unique audio and video. Sure, it's a bit of outlay, but to earn a possible 5, 10, 15 grand a day, I think it's worth it. Now you don't need to spend a lot of money when starting out. This Zoom H1N is $99 and will give you fantastic sound recordings. And you probably already own a phone which will record quality video. If not, a camera like the Nikon Coolpix B500 will shoot full HD video. A kit including case, memory card and tripod will cost you $450. The cost is a small fraction of what you could make if you stick with this and succeed. I'll give you a link in the description. Creating the content is easy. Brainstorm how you can produce audio and video that fits the titles we researched earlier. If you need flowing water sounds, head out to a river and spend a day recording it. Rain sounds? Pull your gear out the next time it rains. This part isn't rocket science, and I know that you can do it. There's plenty of YouTube videos out there teaching you all the camera skills that you need. Now there's one big thing that we really need to address, and that is to get creative. You need to show YouTube that you're a real person generating unique and original content in this niche. This is arguably the most important step of this whole process, but it's tough to do. The truth is, if you skip this step, Sooner or later, you will be demonetized. So put on your thinking cap and develop your own unique spin on the ambient relaxation niche. I need to set some expectations. You see, I've read comments from people who have made relaxation videos for 1 week and then they've gone, and thrown their hands in the air and claimed that this doesn't work. And the thing is that that's just not realistic. YouTube is a long game. I wouldn't expect any significant growth in your channel for 1 year, maybe even 2. And that's if you put in a solid, consistent effort and work hard at this. It won't be easy, but with hard work, consistency, and a little bit of luck, you could be the next big relaxation channel. Over to you. And don't forget to leave a comment and let me know how this all goes. Good luck.